Hello, Bus Talker Outdoors. Today we are in Western Washington, Cascade Foothills, in search of tiny fish. That's right, we're fishing for fish, specifically cutthroat trout, that are going to be in that 2 to 6 inch range. So today we're going to have some ultralight tackle, small hooks, small sinker, chunks of night crawler, and we're going to see what we can find. One of the first things we're finding today are thimbleberries. If you've never had a thimbleberry, they're soft, a bit seedy, and very tart. So there's one, you rip it off, and if you notice, it kind of starts to break down, but man, is it a tasty little berry. Today, my son and I will be walking across moss and water-covered rocks and trees in pursuit of these trout. Always an adventure.
Oh, look, I literally just got one.
You had one bite?
Yeah, I mean, let's get this off, but I literally just got one, so there you go. We know it's working.
Here's what we're using today. Little chunk of worm on a tiny hook. You have the net ready in case we get one.
Pull it out.
See here. Oh, we can get him to mellow out. We can show you our first fish of the day. Right here, there he is. I'm gonna release him quick. Little cutthroat trout. Let's try it again here. I know there's some in this pool. I know there's probably more in this pool. I got one. Oh, he fell off. Got one. Oh!
Dang,
oh, dang it.
He fell on the rock.
I know, poor guy. One thing you can't beat out here is what a beautiful day it is, and just a picturesque little stream we're fishing on. Pretty deep pool. Oh, I think I had a bite. Oh, I lost him. Oh, there he is. Hold on. Where'd you go? Oh, there he is. Okay. You can get a nice look at that fish. Keep it nice and wet. Little trout. We are fishing in the tiniest little pools, usually in the shade like this one, and they're not very big. As you can see, there's not much to this little spot, but a little bit of running water through it, and we'll see what we can do. Oh, got one. Get a quick shot of him before the release. Get my hands wet. And there he is. Beautiful little trout. The trick to this process is finding these pools and going as long as you can without getting your feet wet. There's a nice little one right there. But I'm not ready to fish yet. Right now I'm just trying to get from rock to rock. Whoa, almost went in. My son's already got a wet foot. I've been lucky so far, and I do stress so far. Oh, look at that pool. It's a beautiful pool right up ahead. I think we'll get set up and see if we can find a fish in there.
I got this guy perfectly.
Look at that.
Just right in the lip.
Oh yeah, nice fish.
Let's
You
see if
release him.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
That was a save.
That was a save.
Unfortunately, this is pointing down the net.
Yes, that would have been, that was some graceful stuff there.
To the audience, it looked good.
So this is the type of pool we're looking for. I don't know if it's going to hold trout, but this is about as big as our pools get that we're fishing today. A super deep hole right there. Let's see if anyone's home. Oh, there was one. Oh, one more time. Back to the well. Oh, there's another one. There he is, another one. Get him back in the drink. See if I can get him off. Oh, easy, buddy. Get you off quick. He's somewhere down in this net. Here we go. Quick look. All right. I'm going to release him. He's good. There he goes. I'm going to try this pool right here. Quick. Pretty good size. Oh, I had one. I got one. Whoa! We're going to let him go in the pool he came from, but whoa! But first, it's, yeah, he tried to make a grand escape, but get a quick look at him. It's a nice little guy. Okay, get him in the net, revive him. Well, he gets to go to his home pool. He's a lucky guy. There he goes. Yeah, this is a nice pool right here. There he is. Look at that. Look at the beautiful color on that fish. There he goes. Nope, there he is. And away he goes. I can see him swimming down there. He looks great. Nice cold water. You see him right there swimming. Oh, I lost him. Oh, there he is. Hold on. Where'd you go? Oh, there he is. I know. Where'd he go? There he is. Okay. Okay. Try to keep this thing in the net and keep it wet. But yeah, here, look at that beautiful fish. You think that's amber?
Well, I think it's something because it's stuck in there. Like it's not.
Could be.
And this is a really weird feeling rock. Like it's really light and it looks like coal, but it's not leaving like a ton of residue.
Yeah.
Is like,
is it light or heavy?
It's light.
Oh, okay. Could be coal. Got one. Oh, he fell off. Oh, hang on, buddy. We're gonna save you. There you go. Oh, hang on. We're gonna get you back in the water, buddy. There he is. Cute little trout. And away he goes. Hey, Trouty. How's he doing?
Okay. He's doing pretty good. I mean,
oh yeah, he looks good. Why don't you show him to me before you release him? There he is. Healthy little guy in the net. Oh yeah, he's ready to escape. No, I forgot what I was going to say.
yeah. Like and subscribe.
Yeah.
Like and subscribe.
That's right. Well,
Fun.
Yeah. Well, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed us catching these tiny little trout. They're beautiful fish, and it's always a blast just to go out for a nice walk up the stream. And don't forget, until next time, drop what you're doing and get outdoors.